Welcome back, friends. Welcome you all in the new session of Tutorial Live. So today we are going to start with a new variable that is const and introduced in ES6 only. So in the last session we have seen var and let keywords. Okay, in today's session we are going to see about const variable. So let's start with that. So this is the same example from our last session. Okay, so we have one variable with name and keyword is var name equal to ram. If we are checking, we already know that var is a function scope variable, not a block scope variable. So we are just checking name equal to ram. If name double equal to ram, we are checking the value of name and ram. If it is equal to, it will come inside the block. And this time what we are doing, rather than using let, we are using const as time. Okay, so const f name, a new variable with f name, and the keyword is now const. As we have used let in last example, we are using const here. Const name equal to Syam, console.log f name, and now we are doing the same console.log outside the if block. So what it will happen, the same thing that was happening with let. Okay, so we are getting the value of this particular console.log, but this console.log which is outside that particular if block, it's throwing an error, uncaught reference error, f name is not defined. Okay, so here let and const are same. We cannot, means let and const both are the scoped variable, block scoped variable. We name it block scoped variable because the scope of these variables are only within any block, rather it is a function block or it is a any other kind of block, if block, else block, any kind of block. If it is within any curly braces, the scope is only inside those curly braces. Okay, now the same thing if we do with let, just to prove it, if we do the same thing, we did it in last example only. Okay, so what I did, var name equal to ram, again a var variable with name. We are checking if name equal to ram, double equal to is here, we are checking the value of name. If it is equal to ram, let keyword, let f name, a new variable, f name equal to Syam, and we are reassigning the value. Okay, we are reassigning the value of f name, but here we haven't used the let keyword. We are just using this particular variable f name and assigning a new value, f name equal to Pratik this time. Okay, what we are doing, we are not redeclaring the variable, means we are not doing like this. This is a redeclaration of variable, but we are just reassigning a new value to this particular f name variable. What is this? Pratik, console.log f name. So the value is changed. Now the f name is having the value Pratik. Can we do the same thing with const? Let's see. The same example, but now with const. Var name equal to ram, checking name is equal to ram or not. Now rather than using let, we are using const. Const f name equal to Syam. Now I am trying to reassign the value. We are not doing like this const, we are not redeclaring the variable with const keyword. We are just reassigning a new value to f name. There is difference between redeclaring the value and reassigning the value. If we use the variable var or const or let keyword with that variable, that is redeclaration of variable, but reassigning of value is we are just using the variable and assigning a new value to that variable. That we are doing here. F name equal to Pratik, console.log f name. So will it work? No, it won't work. See the error, assignment to constant variable. Const is a constant variable. We cannot reassign a new value to const if we have declared the value or variable with const keyword. So this is the difference between let and const. Whatever the difference was with var versus let, the same difference is var versus const also, but there is one additional difference, that is different for var and let, but that we can reassign the value if we are using let keyword. If we are using let keyword, we can reassign the value, but if we are using the const variable, that is a constant variable, okay, we cannot reassign a new value to the variable. So this is the difference between var, let and const. Okay, but there is a exceptional case. So what is the exceptional case? We'll see. The exceptional case is in object declaration. What is object declaration? This is the object declaration. This is the object declaration. This is the employee object which is having two properties, f name and l name. We can add some more properties also, email colon r@gmail.com. Okay, sorry, it should be inside single quotes, so that's why it is throwing error. Okay, so employee object which is having three properties now. Okay, and now what we are doing, console.log employee.fname, employee.lname, we are trying to access these properties of this particular object. This is the object declaration. If we have multiple properties of any variable, you can say, like employee is having three properties, f name, l name and email. So this is the object declaration. We can declare some values to each and every property that we are trying to access here. Employee.fname, employee.lname. So we are getting the value here, employee.fname Rohit, employee.lname equal to Gupta. Similarly, if we try to access this particular email also, so what we will do, employee.email. So the third value is r.speechgrammarlist.com. Okay, so this is the simple way of object declaration, but with const keyword, not with the let keyword. So what is the difference? What is the new thing? What is the exceptional case in this particular scenario? So what I am trying to do, okay, see this particular example. Employee object, f name and l name, two properties. Now employee equal to f name, we are trying to reassign the value. What we are doing to, we are trying to reassign the value. Okay, so in f name we are now Dwarika and l name equal to Prasad, and trying to access the values. Let me comment it out for you first, otherwise it will create some confusion. So what we are getting, same thing that is expected, because this is the const variable. This particular object is declared with const, so we should not be able to assign a new value like Dwarika and Prasad to that particular object. And this is not allowing us assignment to constant variable, the same error. But can we do it in a different way? Yes, we can do. This is the exceptional case. Suppose the same example, const employee, f name and l name, there are two properties, and what I am trying to do, we are trying to assign new value in a direct way. How? Employee.fname. If we want to access this particular variable, what we do, employee.fname, employee.fname, employee is the object and fname is the property of that particular object. So employee.fname equal to Dwarika and employee.lname equal to Prasad. Earlier what we are trying to do, we are trying to reassigning the value to the whole object, not individually. We are trying to assign to value to the whole object like this, employee and then fname and lname. We are trying to change both the properties, not individually but through the object property only. But here what we are trying to do, we are trying to assign individually to each property. We are trying to change each and every property value using that object and the property employee.fname equal to Dwarika, employee.lname equal to Prasad. Now we can see we are able to assign a new value to this particular keyword. Rather, it has been declared with the const keyword. So that is the exceptional criteria. We cannot directly assign to the object, we cannot directly assign a new value to the object or the variable, but if it is a object, then we can individually assign new value to its property. So we have seen both the variables that has been introduced in ES6, let and const. What is the difference between var and let, and what is the difference between var, let and const? So that's all for today's session. Thanks for joining.